This is Jack asleep in Nai-Nai's bed. He's pretending to be asleep. Let me fix the pillowcase so the pillow looks better. Jack is snoring just like Daddy. Jack has a doll next to him, like Nai-Nai's doll. Here's the second one. Nai-Nai has two dolls. And outside the door is Tanya. Tanya always keeping track of things. Why didn't Tanya and Mookie tell me where you were? You make sounds like Daddy. Yes. Let me show you Jack's legs. Watch this. Underneath the covers, we have Jack's leg. There's one leg and a foot. The other leg is coming also. Now we have two legs and 2 feet. In Nai-Nai's bed, the best bed in the whole world. Jack woke up! He's awake! Hooray for Jack! Where's your shoes, Jack?